Clever Messenger Review. Revealed, unique concept helps entrepreneurs, marketers and agencies grow. Add unique AI-powered conversations to quadruple profits, boost conversions and slash ad costs dramatically. Overnight. Bold claim? Yup. Can we prove it? Yes. Watch the video. AI-powered conversations insist on boosting your profits. Discover profitable AI-powered conversations. Join the Clever Messenger giveaway contest. Uncover your Clever Master Package bonus. Get early access before our public launch. Plus, much more. Sign up right now. Discover how AI-powered conversations can help. You automatically join the free giveaway. Sign up for the free training series and automatically join the giveaway contest where we give away 10 free copies on launch day, the 29th of September at 9 a.m. ET New York. Get instant access now. Yup. It's 100% cool. This is how you leverage AI-powered conversations. Digital Kickstart. Mark Thompson and Matt Callan. Add AI-powered conversations for growth. Strengthen critical areas of your business with AI-powered conversations. Automate sales. Add cheat codes to your sales and marketing. AI-powered conversations automate answering questions, nurture leads, and counter objections. It gets people primed and ready to buy, all on complete autopilot. Make your ad dollars go further by sending prospects from your ads to an AI-powered conversation instead of a landing page. See your ROAS rocket up to 10x or more. Jump in when needed and speak with the qualified leads in real time, closing them while they're hot. And discover how simple it is to cut your cost per lead up to 8 times. Get instant access now. Improve conversions. Use conversations to boost conversions. Every savvy entrepreneur knows the biggest chunk of profits is in the follow-up, but it's time-consuming. Let your AI-powered conversations deal with it, while you enjoy stellar conversions. Are customers abandoning their cart? Your bot gets them back with a simple message. After 3 hours still no sale? Have your bot follow up with a discount coupon or other related offers. Capture user input like emails, addresses and phone numbers. Have your bot send emails, SMS and ringless voicemails through integrations to keep your product or service top of mind. Get instant access now. Qualify leads. Close hot leads, spend less time and money. This is the next best thing to a human salesperson. It attracts leads and immediately engages with questions to qualify them. This way you don't waste time chasing cold dead leads. Optimize the sales process and maximize your revenue. Fill your sales pipeline with hot leads automatically, helping you and your team to focus on ready-to-buy prospects only. Jump in when needed and speak with the qualified leads in real time, closing them while they're hot. And discover how simple it is to cut your cost per lead up to 8 times. Get instant access now. Boost engagement. Have your bot build a cult-like following. Use AI-powered conversations to improve your follower count, comments, and reactions by running message-powered campaigns, like giveaways, promotions, and contests. Smart entry points help prospects and customers to start conversations with you and your company, ensuring they get a response when they expect it most, meaning immediately. Boost engagement by collecting feedback, testimonials, and reviews on autopilot. Or use AI-powered conversational tactics to broadcast updates, share news, or send promotional content. Get instant access now. Unclog support queues. Stop losing customers to your competitors. If your business is slow to respond to customer questions, it's a matter of time before they flog over to your competition. With AI-powered conversations, your replies are instant, 24/7. Resolve up to 8 out of 10 customer questions, so you and your team save time, resources and win more business, while at the same time increasing customer satisfaction. Add AI-powered FAQs with pre-built answers. Have it capture support information from customers, or notify your team when someone does need human attention. Get instant access now. Ready to get started? Discover AI-powered conversations. Sign up for the free training series and automatically join the giveaway contest, where we give away 10 free copies on launch day, the 29th of September at 9 a.m. ET New York. Get instant access now. Yup. It's 100% cool. This website, this page, and the software are in no way sponsored, administered by, or associated with Facebook and Instagram. They are trademarks of Meta.